I'm gonna try to make this as relatable as possible. Doing a lot of research and figuring out a lot of things, you have to understand that things like credit and financial literacy were literally withheld from people that look like me for a long time for a specific reason, right? Because knowledge is power and financial literacy is power. So a lot of people want financial literacy, they want wealth, they want freedom, they want time freedom, but they're too lazy and too dumb to actually start tapping into information, and that's sad, right? Because you need to get out of your own way. The only person that's stopping you from getting the information that you need to take yourself to the next level is you, buddy. It's you, right? The information is literally free. It's out there. That's the thing. They hid it inside of books. They hid it inside of articles and things that you need to read to obtain to understand. And most of y'all don't want to read. Y'all want to listen to the Meek album. Y'all want to do all this. You want to memorize this and that and all the songs, right? But you can't memorize the Fair Credit Reporting Act, right? You don't want to look up the terms consumer. A lot of different things to help you to get to the next level. You don't want to look up what it takes to start building credit. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all run from your credit. A lot of y'all running from the situation. In fact, you need to face it head on, because that's what a lion does. You need to be a lion for you and your family so that you can take y'all to the next level and take the next generation to the next level. Think about it. If you're only thinking about the now, you're bugging. You need to be thinking about generations down the line. How can you make sure that you are starting to leave a legacy and having your name impacted on your family? Just because you weren't born to a millionaire family don't mean a millionaire family can't come from you, baby. So what I want you to do is get out of your own way, start reading and start taking action on the things that you read and you hear. Stop being scared, because you only got one life to live and you don't know how long you're going to live it. If you want to learn how to fix your credit yourself, go to youcanfixyourcredit.com and don't forget to like and save this video.